Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. I'd like to take a moment to address one of the comments I hear the most. The comment is, how do you find time to do all these things, plus have your job and the sanctuary and everything else? Well, I came across a meme on the old internet that kind of addresses that comment. It states on there, if you can work 8 to 12 hours a day for some other man and you come home and you're tired, it's not that you're tired, you're uninspired. Get off your ass and go get inspired and do something. I got inspired and we got ourselves a 1946 Chevrolet, and this is a custom order. This is an old vineyard truck for a short wheelbase, heavy duty truck to go up and down the vineyard roads pulling trailers. Contrary to the wooden shoe style, we're actually going to kind of leave this one original and bring her back into her heyday. She's sporting a 216 inline 6-cylinder. She also came equipped from 1946 with one of those anti-theft transmissions where you have to be able to drive a manual in order to get it anywhere. So the plans for this old girl is to bring her back into her prime. We're gonna go ahead and get all the body work done, get her sanded down, get her painted. She was recently switched from a 6-volt system over to a 12-volt system, so we'll finish cleaning up that wiring harness inside there. We'll get all the OEM parts put back on it, and then we'll see where it goes from there. Stay tuned.